What's going on, guys? We are doing an unboxing on the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition. Let's get into it. So here it is, some pretty cool packaging. I don't know why there's a bunch of owls, but yeah. So got this off Amazon. Here's that. If anybody really cares, go ahead and pause the video and you could read this on your own.
2,000 years later.
So here's a USB cord, user manual, some styrofoam, and here is the mic. Wow, it's a lot bigger than I had thought. But here's the mic. Comes in this folded position. Yeah, it's a pretty nice sturdy mic. It definitely has some weight to it. Let's see. The mute button, volume button. On the back is the gain and then the pattern. So I'll be plugging it in and doing a review very shortly. Alright guys, unfortunately this mic had an issue. Whenever I plugged in the Blue Yeti, there was replaying of my voice that I recorded, and it kept skipping frames. I'll insert a clip right here. Testing, this is a microphone testing, testing. I'm testing on the Yeti microphone right now. All at the bottom. I am going to increase. So now I've increased it again really tiny. So yeah, obviously that is not how the mic is supposed to sound. I contacted Blue Yeti. They provided me zero customer support over the phone. She just basically said I could send it in to them and I have to pay for shipping. All this crap. I was extremely frustrated. I just ended up to return it back to Amazon and got my money back. I'm not sure if anybody else has this problem, but I did, so just be aware. They offered zero customer support, so I returned it back. Hope you guys enjoyed the short little video. Take care and peace.